Yeah, so this is the product. We gonna turn this thing into our multiple dishes right there. Okay, so here goes the meat chopped up. You got all the organs, the liver, the lungs, the stomach, the spleen, the kidneys. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so now we boiling up the intestines and stuff. This is gonna be used for the mung menudo soup. Just gotta let this boil out, then we'll filter it out and then throw in all the meats and other ingredients into it. Right here we got the blood as well too. We're gonna throw into that. This is gonna make it minerally, but this will cook down and it'll harden. This looks like jello right now. So what I've done with the blood is I poured it into the strainer and I'm rinsing it off because I don't need the excess. I just need the straight gelatin blood.
Same goddamn, it might not be that damn dramatic and shit, but you can have your issues too. You ain't gonna understand it that point.
I'm gonna strain this. You gotta keep straining. Shake that up a little bit. Cause we want the pure blood only. And this is almost ready to be added into the menudo soup. This is the Asian inspiration menudo soup. Look how gelatin it is. See, and strain it up. So we boiled up the intestines. This is how it came out. What we're gonna need to do is filter it to remove any sediment in the broth, and so it'll be a really fine broth, so there's no sediment in here. And then the intestines right here, which will chop up and throw within the stew as well too. So you got it filtered out right now. The liquid is definitely not clear. What we're gonna do is boil this down and get this to a boil. Then we're gonna start adding in all the different ingredients. Okay, so to start off the broth for the liquid, we got the galanga right here. We're gonna dice up the ginger and it's the lemongrass. We want this stuff to be boiling during the whole time. We'll chop this up and add it to the broth and allow it to boil in and spread the flavors throughout the broth. Okay, so what we're gonna start off the broth while it's boiling. Got the lemongrass here, the galanga, the ginger, and the lime leaves right there. Gonna allow that to simmer and boil out the flavors. And then before we add in all the other ingredients. So we got the pot going right there. I threw in all those ingredients. The next ingredient, this is actually the bao right here. So we gonna throw that up in there. We're gonna pre-boil that one. That's gonna give it the bitter taste. And then this dish right here requires a little bitterness to it. Right now we gonna throw in all the different ingredients and get all this stuff blended in together. Alright. Okay, so now we got everything all mixed in there. We're gonna get all this stuff boiled up. This is kind of like a full inner dish right here. A combination of a little bit of everything. I'm gonna cook this down to a boil, then I'll add the blood into it. Once I add in the blood, It's gonna darken up the broth a little bit darker than this, but we need to get this boiling first. Yeah, I'll get that. So to start off, we just add a little bit of salt. MSG. Not too much. A little bit. And we're gonna stir this all together and let it talk together. Alright, so this broth, the soup is pretty much ready. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to introduce this blood into it right there. So right into it. And I'm going to stir this like that. Just a little bit. You don't want it to break up too much. You want it to start holding together. Let that get to know each other first.
You got a strong case there.
Okay, so now this joke is boiling and stuff like that. It's time for the greens and stuff. Go and throw that in there real quick. Throw that up in there. Let this boil down. Look like there's a lot of greens, but this thing boil down. Alright, that's good. I'm gonna turn this up. So we got a little bit of everything in this one. You gotta bring this back to a boil, turn this off, and it'll be good to go. Alright, it's the Asian inspiration version of the menudo, but we have a lot more in here. You can see these giant clumps right here. These are the blood right here. And we just, this is about ready. If I turn this off, it's been boiling. All the hard work the man done did. Got it. Now it's time to eat. So here goes that dish right there. I'm gonna put some rice over on that right there. Mix that one up real quick. So here we have some intestines. Here goes the blood that I threw in there earlier. I'm gonna kind of do a little combination right there. Add a little bit of blood to it. We're going to take that bite right there. It has a little bitterness to it. It's an acquired taste. You have to grow up eating it, but it's always enjoyable, so definitely worth a try. So give it a shot if you don't mind.